think counts as something. Let's make sure I don't end up dropping this, because that might actually end up happening. Oh, something just fell out. I don't know what that was. Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna read this real quick. Come on. Ow, let's pin it. Okay, hold on. I almost said something I did not mean to say. Shoot. Let's see. It's breaking. GG, easy. Oh, okay, something fell out. I don't know what that was. Let's see. I'm doing pretty easy so far. Oh, shoot. That's like pretty... Dang. Oh, that's stuck together. Okay, hold on. Jeez Louise, I gotta stop saying something like that. Let me see real quick. Okay, it's like stuck to like this weird thing that's like glued on and taped on to most. Okay, as long as I could just rip this would be all fine. I gotta rip this. I might actually need to go get some scissors real quick. So bye, guy. Not bye, guy. Guys, I got scissors. We can finally now cut this. I'm scared I'm gonna end up dropping the gun, and it might actually end up happening. Let's see. Oh, God. Jeez Louise, bro, this thing is so hard to cut. You gotta rip it, literally. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me not try and cut that part, and let me actually try and cut this part. Easy. L plus ratio, bro. L plus ratio. Catch this L plus ratio, bro. Average day in Twitter. On Twitter is what I should say. Bro, it won't break. Oh my god. Come on, bro. What are you even stuck to? Oh, it's a screw. Okay, hold on. But how do I get to the screw? That's my question. Jeez Louise, bro. Come on. Catch this ratio already. You know what? I'm going to break this cardboard and I'm going to try and cut around it. Because I didn't think about that before. Jeez Louise, bro. This took me like 2 minutes already, bro. I should have been over with this. Don't mind my singing, guys. I just like to sing because I like to. Ouch! Bro! Oh my god. How the heck do you even open this? I don't even... let's see. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stab like a random hole. By the way, don't try this at home, guys. Do not try this at home. Got it. I got the hole. Okay, I punctured the hole. God, I can't. Okay. Let me just start cutting. Bro, I just want you to catch this ratio, bruh. Oh my god, you fell off. You fell off, bro. Oh, he cool, buddy. Where'd you even come at? Never mind. Because that came out awfully... That came out, like, horribly wrong. Shoot, bro, I dropped, like, 1,000,000 objects. Okay. Oh, my God. Don't tell me I could just screw them off like that, bruh. Okay, well, that was way more harder than it needed to be, bruh. And, of course, I still have to cut them all off so I can just do that. I almost just lost my finger right there. That's definitely why... Hey, Cole, can you calm down? That's definitely why you shouldn't do that, because I almost just lost my finger right there. I'm screwing one. I'm unscrewing one right now. Easy money. GG. Trash. Catches ratio. L plus followers, but she fell off. Plus this U. Come on. Easy money. Woo! Dang, it took me like 4 minutes to find that out. I said catch shot ratio, my guy. Oh my god, it literally tells you, bro. I actually hate my life. It literally... Okay, well, I don't really need those anymore. Well, those just stuck to my hand for a second. Bro, I cannot spin this for nothing. Oh my god, guys, it's almost there. I literally almost have the gun. Oh my god, there's one more turn. I think it's broken. Oh shoot, I think it's broken. Oh shoot, do not fall. I swear if you fall, bro, I'm gonna actually cry. Jeez Louise, I can't turn it. Alright, I've done it. I have it. I finally have the gun. Guys. Oh my god. Bro, come on. Twist and turn. Oops. I just lost that gun immediately. Alright, guys, bye. Because there's nothing for you to even see. Ouch, my head.